Hello everyone, this is Dr. Neeta and this is our last section of I am a Winner, Believe and Achieve workshop. So we will just see the concluding part wherein I'll just give the overview that what are all things we have learned and how to implement those things actually in our real life. So I am a Winner is not just for theoretical learning but actually it's for practically implementing each and everything in your life. On daily basis you need to practice those things which we have discussed in this workshop. Otherwise there will be not much use of this workshop. If you really want to be successful in your life, if you really want to be winner of your life, then you need to be actually give some kind of self-discipline to yourself by maintaining certain kind of lifestyle. So what kind of lifestyle changes we should do within our daily schedule, that are all things we are going to discuss in today's video. So these are basic three steps in which actually we can make those little changes within our life, and we can actually get or achieve our dream life which we really want to achieve, and we could actually find out our own strength, our real purpose. We can meet real ourselves, and we could actually get all those things which we really need. So our first step was SWOT analysis. We identify our own strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, and we also identify purpose of our life, what exactly I want from my life. Then I also find out my major goal and my core strength. So that was our first and second days exercise, wherein we were discussed who am I actually, what is my life purpose, how actually I could find out my life purpose, and all those kind of things we were discussed in the first 2 day of the I am a Winner workshop. And that is what is the most important basic thing for starting all this journey. So first thing, you should know what are your core strength. Firstly, you should know what is that particular thing which is actually making barrier for you to achieving those success. So all those kind of self you may say introductory thing means I am just knowing myself. That journey we were discussed in the first 2 days, and that are all these steps. Then in the second step, now after a discussion of those all scientific experiments and many things we have seen, just like we were saying what are beliefs, we were actually discuss quantum physics behind that. We have also discussed that what are the different kind of water experiment has done, and how water consciousness is there, whatever are our words, whatever are our thoughts, actually how it's affecting our body. All those kind of thing we have discussed. Then also we have seen EEG, we have seen placebo effect, we have seen brain waves. So all those kind of experimental part we have discussed, and from that we have understood that we need to actually get connected with our subconscious being, and to get connected with our subconscious being, meditation is the best way. So if you really want to make certain kind of changes within your life, you need to follow certain kind of lifestyle wherein you should actually practice meditation, you should practice visualization, and you need to create a vision board. So in the upcoming slide I'll tell you about vision board. For this slide, this much. Then third step, become compassionate. That is what is the most important thing, that we need to actually accept people the way they are. We should forgive them, and we should actually love others. That is what is compassion. Then we should actually keep some kind of gratitude journal. Whatever we have received, we should be grateful for, and we should always express our gratitude for all the good things happening with us and whatever we are getting from this universe. So all these kind of three steps if you'll follow, so that will make you achieve all your goal and all the success actually you want to achieve within your life. So moving ahead with the next slide, vision board. So actually vision board is something wherein you are visualizing whatever you want. Law of attraction says that ask, believe and receive. So the first important thing is whatever you want, firstly you need to ask it. No, if you don't know what you want, that is what is the first thing. Once you know it, okay, just take it down and put it on paper and make it very clear that okay, I want this. That is what is asking. So clearly you need to ask whatever you want. You don't actually want to ask those things you don't want in your life. Mostly if you'll do negative thinking, so that negativity you'll attract in your life. So whatever thing you want, you need to concentrate, you need to focus on those things, and very clearly you need to find out, okay, that is my financial goals, these are my relationship goals, these are my health related goals, these are my all prosperity career related goal. So all this kind of thing you need to identify, and you need to actually properly make the vision board out of that. Now first way of making vision board is you can purchase any of the slam book. Within those slam book, divide it into whatever areas of life you'd like to work on. So career, finances, then health, wealth, relationship, whatever different kind of areas of life you want to choose, that many areas choose. And then find out the pictures, what kind of home you want, what kind of job you want, what kind of life partner you want, whatever it is. You just take down the characteristics of those things and just try to put it on paper and bring those things together. If you are making it in as a journal, in a diary, or in a slam book, then one after another keep on giving titles and keep on adding those pictures, and then you have to see those slam book on the daily basis. Otherwise you can make it on your mobile screen, on your desktop screen, or on your if it is possible you can make it in your office wall, or your in your home wall, and you can just put it on the wall wherein most of the time of the day you are spending time within that room. So in this way you can see your dreams, and that is how that will remind you all those achievements which you really want to achieve within your life. And every moment you will actually look at that vision board, you will remind everything, and that's actually help you to bring those things or attract those things in your life very easily and effortlessly. So vision board is a very effective technique. Even every field actually visualization used. Most of the athletic performances actually their coach asks them to just visualize before they are actually going to play. They need to visualize they are receiving that gold medal, or that championship, or they just need to visualize whatever kind of victory they want after that game. So those kind of thing actually bring make a lot of changes, what kind of results you're going to bring within your life. So preparation of vision board, this is how you have to do. If you are having any doubts or queries, you can ask me anytime. So moving ahead with the next topic, gratitude journal. The most important thing is whether we have acknowledged whatever we have received in our life. You know that every many of us might have good parents, and they are doing taking good care of us still, yet we are young, and we are doing our work properly, but still they are worried about us. But just think about those people who actually grown up within orphanage. Their childhood actually they were not there were no some there were no actually care takers for them, who really love them, who really care them, who really accept them. And that is how actually they have grown up in their life. But we are so lucky that we are having our parents. We are so lucky that we are getting everything. First thing is our health. Our body is perfect. there are many people who actually can't see, even they have not they might have lose their limbs, or they just born without limbs. So actually there are people who are suffering from their birth itself, but we are having perfect body, but still we are not that much happy, and we are not acknowledging that things, those things which already we are having. There are many people who don't have even their own home to live. We are having our own house. These are minute thing. We actually think that this is how everyone is having, but yes, there are many people who can't speak, who can't listen, and who are actually suffering with major diseases in their life. But we don't have those kind of major problems in our life. But if we are not having those major problem, what we are doing is we are taking small small things and making that as a big issues, and just thinking those things most of the time. Just like take the example, if we have taken a good lunch, and after that someone gets stuck within one of our teeth, what happens is continuously our tongue goes there. Out of that 32 teeth, only two teeth something has stuck. We are not bothering about a rest 30, they are proper, but that one or two teeth which is creating some kind of problem, continuously our tongue is going there itself. Means whatever all areas of our life are good, we are not actually acknowledging that, but only one or two thing, if something not going right in our life, actually we are always thinking about it, and we are giving more focus, more energy to that. Just remember that your energy flows where your attention goes. So actually you need to keep your attention on the positive things, so that your energy will flows in the positive direction, and you will gravitate positive results in your life. If your energy, if you give energy to negative things, of course you are going to gravitate negative things in your life. Firstly, whatever you have already received in your life, you need to be grateful for all those things. Those people you might have remember, some people actually they come in your life, some part of portion of your life wherein you were facing some kind of issue or problem, they just help you, and then they just vanish. Means so they are nowhere today in our life, but in that phase of life when we were really need someone, at that moment of time they came in our life. And that is how actually many people help us. Many times it happens in our life, but whether we are grateful for them, whether we are grateful for all those little things which we are getting on daily basis, all the service providers, those who are providing us cable service, electricity, water, all the daily needs, whether we are grateful for that, whether we are grateful for this universe which is providing us free of cost oxygen, whether we are grateful for that, actually not. So whatever things you are grateful for in your life, try to take out the list of it, and you just keep on writing that journal for those people who are grateful for, those events in your life you are grateful for, and all things this universe is giving to you continuously you are grateful for. Just write it down and keep on writing, and just acknowledge that you are grateful for all these things in your life, and see the difference. If you'll ignore what you're getting, actually universe may also ignore what you really want. So firstly, whatever universe is giving you, kindly acknowledge it, then and then only universe will give you more and more. So there are few examples given here, that how could prepare your gratitude journal, and what are all kind of things you could add within your gratitude journal. So just try to find out the answers of these questions for you, and you can prepare your own gratitude journal. Otherwise you can also maintain your gratitude stone or crystal, whatever is convenient for you, just choose. And what you have to do is you have to place that stone on daily basis. You have to say thank you, you have to say some good things, good words to that stone. What will happen continuously, if you give positive energy to that stone, that stone will become very very positive source of energy. And when you'd like to heal something, at that moment of time you just use that stone, and magically you will find the change, that okay, all the kind of pain and all the kind of negativity, that stone will be capable of removing, because you will make, by giving that positive vibration on the daily basis, you will make that stone so much strong. Actually it will help you out to remove all negativity within your life, so you can maintain such kind of stone or crystal, and that is how you can just give your positive vibration even after doing your meditation. Always do blessings, give blessings to Mother Earth, to all the species on this earth, and just give your best wishes to all and everyone. Ask happiness, ask have good health, good success for everyone. This is what is called as, in Hindi it's called Manasa Seva, means though we are not doing it literally, but still from mind we are giving them positive vibes, and because of those positive vibes actually they are getting good blessings from this universe. So what you can do is, whenever you are doing your meditation, because after meditation you get some positive powers within you, and once you got those positive power, always you should actually send positive vibrations in this universe. The more number of positive vibrations you'll send in this universe, and that will multiply and come back to you. So that is how actually you can just spread your positivity around you, and that is how you should always be grateful for whatever you are getting in your life. So I think this much for this video. So thank you very much. I would also like to give all of you a very big thanks that patiently you all have uh, listen all the videos, and you all are doing your task very sincerely. You all are doing your discussion sessions very very nicely. I am really thankful and grateful to all of you for choosing us. Thank you very much.